What's up boys and girls, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very short video just to announce the winner from the previous month giveaway. The lucky winner will get this water block from Fantex as designed for 1080 Ti Founders Edition cards. So with no further ado, the lucky winner is... So if you happen to be the lucky winner, then contact me on Facebook and I will arrange the delivery of this shiny thing directly to your home address. Unless of course you want to pick it up yourself. And for the rest of you unfortunate people, don't worry, we have more of this stuff. So subscribe, stay tuned, and you might be the lucky one in the next one. You never know. And finally, I wanted to say thank you for all of you guys who are subscribers, who support this channel and like videos and comments on the videos. Keep it up guys, your opinion always matters to me. And talking about the opinions, currently I'm kind of working on the next build, so if you have any suggestions on the theme of the build, post your comments down below. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next one.